Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncturist and herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today we're going to talk about how to heal an ear infection with garlic oil. And actually, not only do I like to use the garlic oil, there's a few other ingredients that make it work even better. So if you can acquire mullein flowers and St. John's wort flowers and add that to it, you'll have a classic perfect blend for an external ear infection. It's important to differentiate between an external, middle, and inner ear infections. So the garlic oil treatment, with or without those additional flowers added to it, are for external, and sometimes you can luck out even with a middle ear infection, but it won't be effective for an internal ear infection. So be careful when you do that. So we want to go ahead and get our ingredients together. We want to go ahead and get some fresh garlic, some extra virgin cold pressed olive oil, a container to put this all in, and of course our cutting board and knife. And if you're able to get the mullein flowers and the St. John's wort flowers, ideally get those fresh as well. We're ready to begin to make our garlic oil for an external ear infection. Basically what we want to do is roughly chop our garlic, place those in the bowl along with the mullein and the St. John's wort oil, flowers. Add about a cup of olive oil to that, and we can even speed up the process by heating it ever so gently. We should be able to put our hands into the warming oil, so we don't want it to be so hot that it would scald us. After we warm it for about 15 to 20 minutes, we strain off our herbs and we retain that oil. We then want to place just a few drops into the ear. Be careful not to place the eyedropper deep into the ear, since you can rupture the eardrum. And we don't want to use this treatment if there is any kind of perforation or hole in the ear. You also would not want to use it if there's any blood or other discharge from the ear. Usually all we see is there's some inflammation and redness and some discomfort and pain with the ear. If there's any doubt in your mind, make sure that you see a pediatrician or a trained medical professional or herbalist who's qualified to create this. For those of you who don't necessarily want to make your herbal remedies in your kitchen, there's also a number of products out there on the market that already have all of these ingredients done in its proper proportion and cooked up ever so correctly with the right ingredients that you can use and just follow the directions on the bottle based on the age and weight of the person with the ear infection. So it's a very simple way to make a great garlic oil that you can get from your local grocery store and make at home that's effective for an external ear infection. So enjoy your herbs and make your medicine in your kitchen.